If you've ever needed graphic design work done, whether it's a logo, website design, or even packaging, there are websites out there that can connect you with talented designers from all over the world, making it easier to bring your creative ideas to life. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's review, we're going to get into 99designs, a platform that has helped find the right designer for my website design. We'll talk about everything you need to know, including how the platform works, what you can expect in terms of pricing, some of the pros and cons, and my personal experience using them. So hopefully by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if it's the right fit for your design needs. And just so you know, if you decide to give 99designs a try, I've got an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that isn't available directly on their website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so 99designs is a platform that connects people who need design work with talented graphic designers from all around the world. It all started as part of a website called SitePoint back in 1999, where designers would participate in contests for fun. But it quickly became popular, and in 2008, 99designs was launched as its own company. So if you need something designed like a logo, website, or even packaging for your products, you can either start a design contest where designers submit their ideas, or you can hire a specific designer directly if you see someone's work that you really like. It's a great way to get a lot of different creative ideas and find the perfect design for your project. And they've now grown to have a huge community, and they now have offices in the United States and Australia. So whether you're just starting out or you have an established business, 99designs gives you access to talented designers to help bring your ideas to life. So here's how 99designs works. First, you start by creating a free account, and from there, you can start your first project. The process is pretty simple. You choose what type of design you need. I already had a logo made by a friend of mine, so I chose a website design. And once you've made your choice, you'll be asked to describe your style a bit more, like colors, the vibe you're going for, like modern versus classic, and even the audience you want to reach, so that designers understand exactly what you're looking for. Then you'll need to choose a package. 99designs offers 4 pricing tiers, from bronze to platinum, depending on how many designs you want and the level of the designer you're hoping to hire. After you choose your package and make the payment, your project goes live and designers start submitting their ideas. Now here's where it gets fun. You'll start seeing design submissions rolling in. Depending on the package that you chose, this could be anywhere from 30 to 90 different designs. You can then give feedback, narrow down your favorites, and even request revisions if needed. Once you find the design that you like, you can finalize it and the designer will send you the files. But if you don't want to run a contest and would rather work directly with a specific designer, you can do that too. Just browse through the designers on the platform, check out their portfolios, and hire the one that best fits your style. And that's pretty much it. Whether you're looking for a wide range of creative ideas, or you want to hire a specific designer, 99designs makes the entire process easy for everyone. That said, let's get into their plans, pricing, and features. 99designs has a variety of options, so whether you're working with a small budget or looking to invest in top quality designs, they've got something that fits your needs. First up is the bronze package, which starts at $299. This is the most basic option and is great if you're looking for something simple, but still want access to a variety of designs. With this package, you can expect around 30 design concepts, and so it's a solid choice if you're just starting out and don't need anything too complicated. Next up is the silver package, which is priced at $499. This is a step up from bronze and gives you around 60 concepts. It also opens the door to more experienced designers, which can make a big difference if you're looking for something a bit more high-end. Then there's the gold package, which costs $899. With this plan, you'll get around 90 design concepts, and you get access to top-level designers. This is a good option if your project is a bit more complex, or if you want to make sure you're getting the highest quality designs possible. And lastly, there's the platinum package, which is the most premium option at just under $1,300. This package includes around 60 design concepts, but what really sets it apart is that you're working exclusively with top-level designers. Plus, you get a dedicated project manager to help guide the process and make sure everything runs smoothly. So if you have a bigger budget and want to guarantee the best possible outcome, then this is the package for you. Now, in terms of features, all packages come with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy with the designs for whatever reason, you can get a full refund. They also include full copyright ownership of the final design, which is super important for protecting your brand. And just to reiterate, if you decide to give 99designs a try, I've got an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even get a discount that isn't available directly on their website. Okay, now let's talk about what it's like to actually use 99designs, and I'll share a bit about my personal experience using their platform. Using 99designs is pretty straightforward, which is one of the things I really appreciate about it. When you start a design contest, the platform guides you through every step, from choosing the type of design that you need to providing details about your style and preferences. It's all laid out in a way that makes it easy, even if you're not very familiar with design terminology. And one thing I found really cool is how interactive the entire process is. You're not just sitting back and waiting for designs to roll in. You get to give feedback on each submission, ask for tweaks, and really shape the final product. This back and forth with the designers helps make sure that you're getting exactly what you want. And for my personal experience, I've used 99designs for a website design, and I was really impressed with the variety and creativity of the submissions. I started with a silver package, and I ended up with around 25 different designs to choose from. What stood out to me was how responsive the designers were. I requested a few revisions, and they were more than willing to make adjustments until I was completely happy with the final design. One thing to keep in mind when using 99designs is that you're working with designers from all around the world. This global reach is great because it means you get access to a wide variety of creative perspectives, but it also means that sometimes there might be a slight delay in communication, especially if your designer is in a different time zone. But overall, most designers are very responsive and committed to making sure your project is completed to your liking. Just be aware that you might need to allow a little extra time for back and forth communication, depending on where your designer is located. So I have to say, overall my experience with 99designs was a positive one. The platform is user-friendly, the designers are talented and open to feedback, and I ended up with a really cool website design that I really love. So wrapping up this review, if you're asking me whether I'd recommend 99designs, my answer is absolutely. The platform is versatile, offering a wide range of design services that fit different needs and budgets. Whether you're a startup looking for an affordable logo design, or a larger business in need of a complete branding package, 99designs has something for everyone. And what really sets 99designs apart is the opportunity to connect with talented designers from all over the world, giving you access to a wide range of creative ideas and styles. Plus, with the option to either run a design contest or directly hire a designer you love, you have the flexibility to choose the process that works best for you. So if you're ready to bring creative ideas to life, I highly recommend giving 99designs a try. Anyway, so that's all for this review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And again, if you decide to give 99designs a try, I've got an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you might even save a bit of money that you wouldn't if you went directly to their website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.